Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem in which we have to find some of these things. Okay, so here they did not mention the number of terms. Instead, they wrote the final term. So, you have to find out n how many terms does it have, and also you have to find out the sum. Okay, so look at this how we will approach this question. So the idea is, if you'll observe, this question is not in AP, GP, HP, AGP, or it is not following any pattern as well. Okay, so what we will do, we will apply the concept of VN thing. Suppose we will write down the series first: 4, 10, 18, 28, 40. Okay, things will keep on going, but ignore. Now we will be writing the first difference. So it is 6, 8, 10, and then we will be having 12. Okay, so this is your first error. Again, you did not observe either GP or a constant number. Again, we will do the difference. So it is 2, 2, 2. We got things done. Now we can write down the formula for nth term. So look at this. So can I write the first term 4 plus second term 6 into n minus 1 by 1 factorial? Hope you remember. Then we have this 2, n minus 1, n minus 2. We wrote two components, so 2 factorial. This thing gone. So we are left with 4 plus 6n minus 6 plus n square plus minus 3n, and then we have plus 2. You can simplify things. You will be left with this thing gone. So we are left with n square plus 3n. So this is the formula for nth term. So we got formula for nth term. Now we have to find out the number of terms involved in this question. So since the final term formula is, we have to find out the n, so we will compute it with this 990. So according to us, last term is this. According to them, last term is this. So we have to find out n. Okay. So it is n square plus 3n minus 990. Okay. So can I write down this 990 into 1 as 990? So 990 can be break down into 99 into 10, and this thing will be break down into 3 into 33. So if you'll club this, it will become 30 and 33. So you will have 3. So can I write n square plus 33n minus 30n minus 990. Okay, now we will take n common and minus 30 common from the next component. We will be left with n plus 33. So we got value of n as 30 and minus 33. You know that we cannot have number of terms in negative, so the number of terms are 30. Okay, now you are good to go with applying the limit. So summation, n starts from 1, it will end at 30, n square plus 3n. You know that you can apply, if while handling summation, you can segregate your question into additions. Okay, and also you can take constant common. So you have first component as n square, you have second component as n, and limit starts from 1 to 30. Limit starts from 1 to 30. Now I hope from here onwards you can handle this question. Okay, so see you guys in next session of Mathflix.